So it's been 10 years since I've been using the Crest 3D White Strips Professional Effect, and it's been one heck of a journey. I made countless videos on this. 10 years ago, I was a freshman in college. I sat next to a girl named Emily. She has super white teeth. It was just as white as this trackpad. And I just had to ask her, how did she get her teeth so white? She told me she used Crest Whitestrips, and I asked her which one. She texted me the link, and just the rest was just history. I made my very first unboxing video, and you guys seem to love it. So I gave you guys more updates just to kind of give you guys the evolution of how my teeth is just whitening up. And here we are, 10 years. Like, it's crazy to think that. This might be the first white strip 10 years later update. I mean, it might be the first on YouTube. I see countless TikToks using my videos, just seeing the evolution. You know, some people tag me like, hey, isn't this you? Yes, that is me. Also, very important too, I said this on my last video 2 years ago, it costs money to look good. I cannot stress this enough. You want to bring the best out of yourself. You only live once, and you'll be amazed on how much you could look better with just whiter teeth, better skin. If you go to the gym, wear better clothing. It's so important. This is fundamental. Oral care is on top when it comes down to self-care. The first thing that people will notice about you is your presence, and your oral care is important. Your skincare is going to be important. Your hair is going to be important, and your teeth is right up there if you smile a lot. I smile a lot all the time. I'm always showing my teeth. I don't have no shame. Like, why should I have shame of smiling and laughing? Like, I don't want to be one of those people where I'm hiding my laugh because I don't want to show my teeth. You want to embrace it. You want to embrace your bright white teeth. And I just want to just put that out there. It costs money to look good. So yes, although the strips are expensive, I think these are like $44 or $50. You know, it's on sale sometimes. Prime Day is coming up. It's important to have some sort of self-investment into yourself. First things first, you should brush your teeth first before applying white strips on, only because you want to remove any kind of plaque or anything that's in between your teeth before you just put on the white strips. And a side note, I recommend charcoal toothpaste. So in this case, I have the Hello Epic Whitening fluoride-free activated charcoal toothpaste. You can pick this up at your pharmacy or your local grocery store. I just went to the supermarket today just to pick up some more. I highly recommend that. And also, super important step, don't forget to scrape that tongue in the morning, especially in the mornings and at night. Oh. And also, you should be brushing your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before you go to bed. And also, the mouthwash I use is the TheraBreath. Now, this isn't something that is gonna whiten your teeth. This is just gonna freshen up your breath for 12 hours. So you don't wanna walk around. You do not wanna walk around with a stinky breath. That's gonna turn a lot of people off. And I saw one person in the comments saying, do it for yourself. But part of life is social interaction. If I'm talking to you, your breath stink, I'm gonna look the other way. I don't know about you guys, but so although this TheraBreath isn't gonna whiten your teeth up, it's gonna keep your breath smelling fresh. But you can also use Listerine too. You have that purple one, that's the one I recommend, alcohol free. Another thing, if you're not using an electric toothbrush, I don't know what you're doing. You gotta get yourself one. I use the Laften Toothbrush. This video is not sponsored at all. Crest should really sponsor me because I've been using this for 10 years. But anyway, the Laften Toothbrush is pretty awesome because you have the app on your phone. You can customize the way how the toothbrush spins, vibrate. You can customize it exactly the way how you want to brush your teeth, because some people's teeth are sensitive. It's so good, in fact, that I decided to pick up two. One for home and one for traveling. And it's offered in different kinds of material. You have stainless steel, aluminum, or as the UK say it, aluminium, and you have plastic. And it goes without saying, you should be flossing daily. You know, all the gunk and all the food that gets stuck in between your teeth. Surprisingly, I do not use the water flosser, only because it gets a little messy, then water's splashing all over the place. You're fine with just a regular flosser with a pick on the end. And once you do all that stuff, the basic, then you can apply the Crest 3D White Strips. And usually I like to fold it in half just so you can have a proper fit-in. You leave it on for about an hour. Do not eat, do not smoke, do not sleep or drink during use. That's what it says on the back of the package here. And while the white strips is on, I highly recommend to get yourself a blue light accelerator. Now this isn't BS. I've been reading all over Reddit in the comments, oh, the blue light don't work or da 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 da. Yes, it works. This is gonna significantly accelerate the whitening process. There's some blue lights that actually take a battery, but I just get the one that just connects to your phone just for power. So you put the white strips on, you turn on the blue light accelerator, and you just sit there for an hour, just chilling. Chill on TikTok, Instagram, whatever you do. I usually always do this at night. It is recommended to wait at least 30 minutes after using the Crest White Strips before eating or drinking. Now also too, to get the best results, limit your use of marijuana, smoking, and coffee. The coffee is a killer for your teeth, man. And also too, tea, including green tea, can cause staining to your teeth. Red wine, soda, candy, juice, like those fruit juice, those Minute Maids, and even like I'm West Indian. That curry goat, you're gonna have to limit that curry goat. So certain foods and drinks, you're gonna have to limit just to get the best results and kind of speed up the teeth whitening process. When I first got the white strips, I used them every other night. But as time went on and my teeth got really white, I kind of just limit my use of it. If I'm going to an event or if I'm going to like something special, the night before I put this on, put the laser light on, and I rock out the next day. It's nice and white. Every other week I'll use this, but it depends if I'm going crazy and I'm eating a lot of curry chicken, curry goat, then, you know, a lot of beetroot. Yeah, it depends. It depends on what I'm doing. You know, if you're just starting out, I would recommend every other day, because your first time using the white strips, your teeth will feel sensitive. And I highly recommend you guys get some sort of sensitive toothpaste just so it can calm it down a little bit. But as time goes on, trust me when I tell you, you're not gonna feel it. You're gonna get used to it. Somehow, some way, it just, your teeth is gonna just get used to it. And 10 years in, my teeth is still good. But man, I think that's pretty much where I'm gonna end it off at. Let me know down in the comments down below if you have any questions or concerns, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Simplypops. And other than that, I hope you all have a simple day.